How to fix Instagram Reels not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are using a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. See if the issue continues, and if yes, then open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. And if the issue is still not fixed, launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone storage. Here, go ahead and navigate to Instagram and tap on it, and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Doing this will clear the cache in the application. And if the issue is still not fixed, then in settings itself, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for apps. Tap on it and then tap on the Instagram option and make sure the availability and permissions are enabled. So make sure the camera, microphone, and photos toggle buttons are toggled on, and if not, then go ahead and toggle on the toggle buttons for camera, microphone, and photos. And if nothing fixes your issue, then go to your app library and tap hold on the Instagram option. You will see the remove app option, tap on that and then tap on the delete app option. Once deleted, open App Store and reinstall Instagram and then launch the app, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So this is how you can fix Instagram Reels not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.